In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on Meta AI Instagram. This simple process should only take about 5 minutes, but it's detailed enough to enhance your understanding thoroughly. We'll start by ensuring you have everything set up correctly. First, open Instagram in your browser and log into your account. It's important to make sure you're using the web version for this process since some steps may not be accessible via the mobile app. However, on your phone, make sure that your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. Updates are crucial since new features often roll out through these versions, and having the latest one ensures you'll have access to all the newest functionalities Meta provides. So check your app store for any pending updates. Now, once you're logged into Instagram, take a closer look at the left sidebar if you're using the web, or sometimes at the top, depending on your view preferences. There you'll find a section titled Also from Meta. In this section, you need to look out for the Meta AI icon. It typically looks like a charming blue-purple circle. This icon is your gateway to accessing Meta AI's robust capabilities. Once you've found the Meta AI icon, give it a click. This action will open a chat interface. It's a neat little feature that offers you a channel to interact directly with the AI. Think of it as starting a conversation, much like how you would with a friend in your messaging apps. Don't be shy. This is where you can begin typing your prompt or question. After entering your message, simply hit enter, and voila, you're now interacting with Meta AI. It's designed to be intuitive and helpful, whether you're looking to find information, get creative suggestions, or simply explore what the AI can offer in improving your Instagram experience. However, if you don't see the Meta AI icon, don't worry just yet. The feature's availability can sometimes vary depending on your account settings or your region. These things do happen, and often it's just a matter of time before they're visible on your account. So give it a little while, check back in later, and ensure all your updates are current. And there you have it. A quick but comprehensive guide to activating Meta AI on Instagram. With these steps, you're well on your way to exploring the enhanced functionalities that Meta AI brings to your social media experience, all while staying informed and ahead of the latest digital trends. Enjoy your exploration into the world of Meta AI.